Are you brain dead?
Slimy.
We lost the transmission, sir. They've gone up the ventilation shaft.
I have assurances from the Chancellor. His ambassadors did it right. Negotiate. That's it.
Get away! Get out of here!
Boss? Hey, wait! I love you! Oh, mi cosa? Hata.
Doo-doo turn!
Oh, gooberfish! Big gooberfish!
Power's back.
Huh? Oh, boy. Oh! Go! Oh, miss!
Don't do that again.
Rina! Sabaduha!
I don't care what universe you're from. That's gotta hurt.
Tuck him away.
The situation has become much more complicated.
I do not believe the Sith could have returned without us knowing.
Ouch time. Uh-oh. Big
We're losing power. There seems to be a problem with the main reactor.
But